the last winter, there's one practice that I used to do, and that's journaling pretty much every single day. So if you see my wall, there are like notes on it from my winter arc. And every single day of my winter arc, I tried to stick one note from that day that will, in the future, it will be somewhat of an inspiration to myself. But also, to be honest, I just thought that that wall is boring. So the only reason that I was not the only reason, but one of the reasons that I made those notes is just to somehow decorate my room. So yeah, it. And today I just felt this pull to sit there and record, to sit there and read those notes. So I read them. And the amount of gratitude towards my younger self, I can't even describe it. The amount of wisdom that my younger self had that truly inspired me today is heartbreaking. It is breathtaking. Shit, not heartbreaking, breathtaking. But yet there's like one thing that instead of sitting there and listening to my own advice, I'm scrolling through YouTube trying to find an inspiration, trying to find something. And to be honest, I felt like I'm not as interesting as other self-improvement creators. But now I see like shit. I am. I have realizations that feel like theirs. Maybe not like theirs that they made those realizations, but rather that it's a quality realization, if you know what I mean. And I feel grateful today for the fact that my younger self wanted to share something with me. And it stuck to my mind, that idea of journaling. Because yeah, I don't journal right now very recently. I have a problem with that. I had no idea why should I really journal. And it just hits me that shit, this is the reason why I should journal. So that my future self will have some kind of an anchor, some kind of an idea of who I was before. So that I will eventually know the exact mindset that I was in. And it's an amazing feeling, brother. So right now I'm trying to read, like here's my Kindle, here's my notebook. On that notebook I write every single thing I learn from the books I read, and I'm trying to read right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do some progress today. Also, I was thinking about making this kind of vlogish style of videos. Like every single day, drop a knowledge, drop something that I learned, something that I was thinking about. And I'm actually kind of scared that maybe no one really cares about that. But if that's the case, okay, like at least I will have something for myself, yeah, of course. So if I could just give you one advice today, brother, journal. Because maybe 1 year from now, you'll sit there and have the same kind of realization as I had. Do your best and leave the rest to God.